Hello everybody, this is CyberGoodOver speaking, and today I'm going to be playing Batman Begins, part I forgot, and let's get in the game.
Does it come in black?
Okay, I'm in my vehicle now. Let's do this. Look, it's beautiful. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. Oh.
So I'll need to take down that freight truck.
Yes, sir. But you'll have to get through its fleet of escort vehicles first.
I can't move.
They've hijacked the Narrowborough Bridge. You won't be able to get to it before they've raised it.
Okay, now I can move. Okay, guys, are you ready? I gotta destroy all the cars, I think. Forget it! Get them! I'm getting them! Okay, let's do this! I put the volume down, so... Whee! Oh, you want to destroy me? Huh? You want to destroy me? I'm afraid you can't do that! Oh, I didn't get to destroy him. Oh, whatever. All that ends well. I'm going to take all the cars out. I'm sorry. Oh, you're not. Oh, whatever. I'm going to forget about that. I'm going to get him. I'm not. Oh man, I'm doing pretty. Ow! I'm sorry. What? I'm crashing into people. Innocent people. This guy isn't innocent. Let's see. Oh, this guy isn't innocent. How are these people alive? I mean, they're talking through the microphones. You can hear them. They're saying destroy the Batmobile. Blah, blah, blah. Anyways, guys, I can't wait to get back in this game. It was a really good game, and, you know, I'm like really talking about... you know, I'm just starting to talk about, like... This was just, like, you know, really good game. I, like, ordered it online, and it was just a really good game. So, guys, if I get, like, you know, like 11 views, I'll make more. If you want that. I mean, it just counts on you guys. Okay, so, like, if you want to see more of my car crashing into other cars, like, meow, like that, I'll make sure to make more videos of this. Oh, look at this guy. Got you. Peekaboo, I got you. Okay, who's the next guy I want to crash into? I crashed into a wall. That doesn't count. Game, he's cheating. This guy is it. Okay, I gotta move fast. I gotta make it to my destination. Destination. Destroy. Get this. Then I got this little piggy went. Oh, he crashed into someone else. Ha ha. Wee. Okay, I'm not letting you go. What? Ugh. Die, Tiny. You made fun of me. Don't make fun of the Batman. Or you're gonna have some real problems in the future. Because he's Batman. Okay, I'm getting close. I gotta move. Okay, gotta move. Gotta keep moving. No. No, the Batman's running out of juice. Don't run out of juice, you beautiful thing. Wait, how are you gonna smash this thing with pieces? Me, big, giant car. You, tiny, little, small, bitty bitty, My Little Pony doll. How are you gonna destroy something this big, huh? Oh, yes, you're down. You had to feel the thunder of my car. Honk, honk. I really need to stop cawing around. Get it, guys? Oh, come, keep moving. Can't. Yes, yes, I made it. So yeah, guys, I gotta stop cawing around in this game. Oh no. Wah, wah, wah. Okay, now time to take out this big piggy. Now here's the third little piggy. This is the last checkpoint I'm gonna get. Now I can't wait to destroy them. Ow! Crash! Car! Beep beep. I'm honking to you. Cause you be destroyed next. Honk honk! Oh, you both are down. So, how many more are still alive, huh? From the Batman! This is the Cyborg Mobile, not the Batmobile. Cyborg Dover 2XX80. Oh, here's the truck I have to destroy. Cause I'm Batman. Missiles! Get missiled. Gotta make him get missiled. Get missiled! Now, like, crash into him. Won't that work too? Whatever, just a game. Right. Oh, what? Last one. I'm gonna have fun with this one. Do I really want to take him out? Huh? Do I really want to take him out? Oh wait, never mind. I want to take him out. Come back here. Where'd he go? Can't lose him. Oh, your car's Toto, huh? Tank him down? How are you gonna take me down? You have no tanks. Wow, one last little shoot! Missiles! Took him out. And did, like that.
You rescued a truckload of kitty litter, thank heavens. For a moment I feared all that destruction was for nothing.
It was a decoy. They were distracting us from the real theft.
And what was that?
Put Lucius Fox on it. We need to find out what the missing weapon is before all of Gotham figures it out the hard way.
There we go, guys. I did it. I destroyed cars, enemies damage. 1 million. Oh wow. Okay, let's see. That's 100. Then $1,720,000 of cash. Things I took it down. 37. Time limit was 8 and 6 seconds. Okay. Page to Gotham mission mode. Gotham attack mode. 2 flip cars. Enter view. I'm going to save it right here. And guys, this was Cyborg Cordova. I hope you love the game. I'm still going to make more videos if I get 11 views. I mean, I might stop if I don't get 11 views. And yeah, this was Sabuk Nova speaking out, and Batman!